This is Motivated 3x3 Business Cup category.
Handa ka na ba? Makita mga idol nyo, handa na sila. Maragbakbakan at matalo sa laro. Motivated 3x3. Liga na mga...
Welcome back once again mga ka-motivated. For the very first time in history, eto naman ang Business Cup natin between Toyota Bacoor and Team Archives. And for the very first time, magsasama kami, Rowie Sacote and Charles Baichong, giving you the action in this second game of the Business Cup division. So let's see as ang laban ngayon is gonna be Toyota Bacoor versus Team Archives. Charles?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Masaya tayong lahat dito dahil ang dami nating laro. This is gonna be a fun-filled basketball day para sa ating lahat dahil isipin mo, Rowie, ang daming division. May kids cup, merong business cup, at merong university cup. So definitely, madami tayong avenue para ma-showcase yung ating mga players na gustong hindi mga nakakuha ng masyadong maraming exposure noon.
Yes.
Naghahanap ngayon ng avenue para makapaglaro.
Yes, and especially yun naman talaga ang gusto ni Rendon is, syempre, to showcase, no, this is an advocacy league. This is to showcase yung mga players, mga teams rin, especially from the South. And kitang-kita natin, again, Toyota Bacoor and etong Team Archives. Kitang-kita natin, nagbabakbakan kagad as Toyota Bacoor gets the first bucket of the ball game. And nakakita rin tayo again sa Business Cup natin, ang eligibility natin open to all pros and ex-pros. Kanina nga nagko-cover kami nila Ryan, di ba? Sila Ken Bono, sila Mark Doligon. Mga ex-PBA yun eh. And ex-MPBL. Or playing in the MPBL.
Kaya hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na low quality itong event natin na to dahil yung experience pa lang nitong yung mga maglalaro natin or yung dalawang naglaro kanina. At marami pang ibang maglalaro. Nakita natin kanina sila Kian Baclaan, si Sidney Onwabere nandito din.
Yes.
So this is gonna be a fun and exciting day for all of us. At bukas naman yung Influencers Cup, yung pinaka-inaabangan ng lahat.
Yes.
Over 100 million followers and subscribers combined.
Yes, in total, no? Grabe, just shows na grabe talaga ang mga supporters dito sa Motivated 3x3 natin. Imagine mo, hindi nga magiging successful to kung wala kang season 3, kung hindi naging successful ang season 2 eh.
A journey that started in Quezon City sa Amoranto, yung season 1. Ngayon, eto na tayo.
From Amorantos. Look at that inside pass, making it look easy.
That backdoor cut made it all happen.
And answering back with a two-pointer. That's a quick retaliation for the Archivers. As there was an offensive foul, there was an extra swing, according to our officials, against Toyota Bacoor. As we take a look at this replay, Charles, may
masyadong
swing
nagamit yung katawan at mababa masyado yung kanyang balikat. Kaya napatawag yung ating referee ng offensive foul.
And dito naman, napatawag naman ang foul ng ating referee, sinking that one in for the Archivers. Or Team Archives. Again, player nila sila Jericho Mondala, Lawrence Revilla, Adrian Barroso, Alfredo Poliante, Raymond Capin, and JR Kaasi.
Mababa yung scoring natin ngayon. Parang yung laro natin kanina, St. Dominic tsaka ISHRM.
Ito, medyo bakbakan ngayon mga nasa Business Cup natin. Kung yung mga nasa University Cup, yung mga youthful plays pa, ito yung mga nasa Business Cup natin, medyo composed na mga players na eh. Literally, mga magugulang.
Pero yung skill level, hindi mawawala. Speaking of skill.
Look at that finish right there for the Archivers once again. Left wide open from deep. And that's a two-pointer for Toyota Bacoor.
Ayun yung hindi mo pwedeng pabayaan pag 3x3 yung nilalaro mo. Yung tres.
Kasi especially ang equivalent yan, kung sa basketball, ang tres, it's like a 1.5 eh. Diba? Times 1.5. Dito, literally sa 3x3, times 2 yung score ng dos eh. Now the question is, magkaka 3-point line rin ba ang 3x3? Parang sa PBA.
Parang magandang abangan yun, Rowie.
Yun ang kailangan nating tignan ha. Pero so far, again, this is anybody's ball games. There was an offensive foul once again. And that's already the third team foul for Toyota Bacoor.
Lumalabas yung edad dito ng ating mga players. Pero kita mo naman,
Oh,
Walang nagpapatalo talaga.
ibang klase yung bakbakan ngayon talaga sa Business Cup natin. And a miss right there for Archive. So far, yun nga, this is a very low-scoring ball game and back-to-back twos for Toyota Bacoor.
Second in a row.
And let's see, using that pick, left wide open. Medyo pakaliwa nga lang yung tira.
Ooh, there's action.
And
There's
our
some
officials-
color developing inside.
Our officials saying that there was a
Oo.
double foul. As we take a look at this, you know, may konting swing ayun.
Pero ang maganda naman sa ginagawa ng ating mga referees, kinokontrol na nila agad para hindi na mag-escalate.
Yung mga referees, sila talaga yung controllers ng game. Eh. Of course, syempre, basketball is a physical sport. Hindi maiwasan yung iba, magigit-gitan, magpipisikalan talaga. So yung mga referees andyan, to control the emotions, no, yung mga tawagan rin nila, i-adjust rin nila accordingly.
Siyempre, ang gusto natin, makita, ma-showcase nila yung talent nila. At the same time, ang pinaka-importanting rason bakit tayo nandito, para magsaya.
Yes. Yun naman talaga, again, this is an advocacy league. We want to encourage all the players, all the fans watching to stay fit, stay healthy, and stay motivated. Oh, that's a long distance too. But a miss right there, and tinapon ang ball sa labas. Ball went out of bounds. Ball goes the other team. Hindi ko pwede sabing the other way kasi half court to Literally, doon rin yung way mo
Yung pagka-low scoring ball game nitong laro natin, it speaks about the defense itong dalawang kupunan natin. Wala talagang bumibitaw, not giving an inch itong two teams natin, Toyota Bacoor and Team Archives.
Oh, right on cue, Charles. Speaking of defense, right on cue kasi grabe ang depensa pinakita dito ng Archives. From defense to offense. And now a tied ball game, and that's going to be a traveling violation. So that's going to be a turnover against Team Toyota Bacoor. And nagpipisikalan na dito, Charles.
That's Joseph Aipa. Natawagan ng foul.
So that's the 5th team foul of Toyota Bacoor. So they only have one more foul to give, and we have yet to cross the halfway mark. And a two-pointer
That's
for
his first.
Archives.
That's his first basket para kay J.R. Kaasi.
Grabe si Kaasi.
Kapapasok lang yan.
Making an impact already, no? Ibang klase. Motivated na motivated talaga yung mga players natin. Look at that steal. Oh, no. There was a change of possession. So, dapat na-reset yung shot clock to 12. Oh, so, I believe there was a timeout. But after that two-pointer ni Kaasi, there was a timeout break. So, mga kamotivated, we'll be back right after this. Eight to 6 is the score with 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining here in this ball game. Archivers or Team Archives are up by 2 points, and Toyota Bacoor only has one more foul to give in this ball game. Let's look at that block by
Again,
Toyota Bacoor.
The defense of these two teams is just on another level.
Yun nga, kaya low-scoring ball game talaga tayo, Charles. Kasi like what you've said, the defense is there. Both teams bothering the other team's shots. Mukhang kung kanina yung unang business cup natin, yung kila Ken Bono, high-scoring ball game. And another offensive foul!
Naibaba na naman yung balikat.
Yes, kita-kita na. And yun nga, may push talaga yung left arm niya. So, good call by the officials. So, no more fouls to give na ang Team Bacoor or Toyota Bacoor. Oh. And ayun na, nagkakapisikala na. Yun na nga yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, Charles.
Some color developing here in this game.
So, the basket will count. And that's gonna be an unsportsmanlike foul called against Toyota Bacoor.
Mapapansin mo, Rowie, lahat ng action natin, yung mga second motion na tawag ng ating referees, lahat sa shaded area.
Yes.
Dahil dun nagsisimula yung contact sa kanila eh.
Madalas kasi talaga sa shaded area yung or shaded lane yung pisikalan eh.
That's
Kasi
correct.
yun na yung pinakakailangan mong depensan as a defender and as an offensive player. Syempre, yun din yung gusto mong puntahan kasi the closer you are to the rim, the higher percentage your shots will fall.
Tsaka, 3x3 to.
Oo.
Pag nakuha mo yung offensive rebound, hindi po kung ikaw yung defending team, hindi mo pwedeng pakuhanin ng offensive rebound yung kalaban mo.
Oo.
High
Okay.
intensity itong ball game natin na to say the least.
So, kinlaro lang ng ating mga officials. So, that's gonna be, so the two-pointer did count since unsportsmanlike foul siya. So, that's gonna be no jumpers kasi magiging ball possession pa ng Archives ulit after this. Oh, kasi after this one, may ball possession pa ang Archives. So, kaya kinlear ng ating officials yung perimeter.
I will not be surprised, Troy, kung ito yung magiging unang laro natin na mauubos yung oras.
Actually,
Diba?
so the way these two teams are playing right now, no? Low scoring ball game and very physical ball game. We are in for a treat right now. And eto, mga kuya na kasi natin itong mga naglalaro eh.
Tsaka mga sanay ito sa ligang labas. Mga panalay boys tong mga to.
So, that's the 8th team foul of Toyota Bacoor. So, that's going to be 2 free throws once again for Archives. And for those who don't know, if maka 10 team fouls ang isang team sa 3x3 FIBA rules natin, that will be 2 free throws plus ball possession pa for the other team. So, kailangan na mag-ingat talaga ng Toyota Bacoor dito defensively. Especially, grabe yung pisikalang kanina. And stepped out of bounds, so ball goes the other way.
Pero unti-unti nang nakakalayo dito ang Team Archives. 13-6 is the score and still a lot of time left para dito sa Toyota Bacoor.
Yes, mas lalo na 12 seconds lang yung nasa shot clock.
Oh, good defense.
Maklase talaga depensa dito ng dalawang kupunan natin. Oh, that's a wide open two. Nice fake. Step back two. Can't get it to fall. Tapikan ng bola. Nakuha ng Archives. And grabe, nakita natin yung mga pisikalan away from the ball.
Pero si JR Kaasi, siya yung tumira on the other side, on the left wing. Siya naman yung humabol dito sa right wing. You gotta appreciate the effort.
Grabe.
Itong player na to, JR Kaasi.
Persistency pays off talaga. And right now, 13-6. Step back two once again. And another miss for Team Toyota Bacoor. And a miss once again. So both teams are now struggling here in this ball game.
Kaya ang daming action sa ilalim, Rowie. Hindi rin pumapasok yung mga long distance bombs nila. Kaya pinipilit nila na, to force the issue and yung action sa ilalim, yung banggaan sa ilalim, talagang nandoon eh.
Oh, and like what you mentioned. And finally, a two-pointer after so many misses here for Toyota Bacoor. And ayan, grabe na yung pisikalan talaga dito, Charles. Kitang-kita natin. And that's the beauty of watching it live, Compared sa TV, kitang-kita mo talaga yung pisikalan, like what you were about to say.
We have the best seats in the house, Rowie.
Oo. And libre lang manood for those who don't know. So again, stay tuned lang. Please keep posted sa ating mga social media accounts kasi malay mo, yung next Motivated 3x3 natin, malapit na tayo sa lugar nyo, di ba? Which is Forbes Park, Charles, no? Yung bahay nyo.
Hindi.
Ay, di ba?
Kayo yun eh.
Ay, sorry. Pero ito, 14-8 is the score. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining here in this ball game.
Medyo malayo pang inahabol nitong Toyota Bacoor and time is kind of not in their favor right now.
Especially, 6 yung hinahabol nila. So literally, kapag nasa normal 5v5 tayo, parang 12 yung
That's
hinahabol nila. So 14-9 is the score, just a 5-point lead. Here comes Archive, sizing up his defender, will drive, good defense. As Toyota Bacoor gets the possession. Oh, clearly a traveling violation. That's going to be a turnover against Toyota Bacoor.
Run out of real estate. Maganda rin yung ginagawa nitong team ng Archives, lalo sa depensa, dahil hindi sila dumodouble. Hinahayaan lang nila. Tapos saka sila magko-collapse kapag wala ng space yung binabantayan nila.
Well read, no? Yung offense ng Toyota Bacoor for Team Archives. And look at that rejection right there. Sending it back.
1 second remaining on their shot clock. They have to put it up.
Pagka-receive, kailangan tira kaagad. And just like that, tumama sa ring ang bola. So reset ang shot clock to 12. Oh, look at that series of moves. And almost an end one. And again, that will be 2 free throws for Team Archives. As Toyota Bacoor already has 9 team fouls. So 1 more foul after this one for Toyota Bacoor. Maka-foul pa ulit sila. That will be 2 free throws plus ball possession for Team Archives. And that's very crucial, especially if you're Toyota Bacoor, kasi kayo yung umahabol.
Another thing about 3x3, it's an isolation game.
Yes.
You will always put your defender on an island, kaya hindi pwede na pepetiks-petiks ka sa depensa, lalo yung kalibre ng mga naglalaro dito.
And walang pahinga ang 3x3. Pagkakuha mo ng rebound, literally, didepensa ka na kaagad. Or after mo makamake ng shot, didepensa ka agad. As we are down to the last 2 minutes of the ball game. A nice extra pass, and there was a foul, and that's the 10th team foul of Toyota Bacoor.
And that play height was might para dito kay Alfredo Polante.
So that will be 2 free throws plus ball possession na for Archives. So literally parang bibigyan ng Toyota Bacoor ang Team Archives ng 4-point opportunity. Or 3-point opportunity rather.
And again, for Toyota Bacoor, time is not in their favor. Dahil kahit hindi umabot sa 21 yung score ng Team Archives, pag naubos yung oras, kung ano yung score nun, sino ang lamang, yun ang panalo.
Literally, yun ang kailangang i-keep focus dito ng Toyota Bacoor. Especially during the first half of the ball game. Grabe yung mga offensive fouls na binigay nila. And speaking of offensive foul, there was an offensive foul against this time Team Archives. We take a look at this replay. Oh, I believe there was an illegal pick, no? Gumagalaw kasi yung pick or yung screen.
That's against JR Kaasi. You know, Rowie, another thing about 3x3, dahil nga konti lang yung shot clock, you tend to be more aggressive na makakuha ng basket dahil nga hindi ganun karami yung oras yun, unlike 5v5 na 24 seconds
Oh.
So there's always a sense of urgency para sa mga players na makakuha na ng basket agad.
Just like that, Charles. After ng inbound,
right on cue. Right on cue.
Laging dami nating right on cue ngayon, ha? May mga overrated ba itong mga players natin? As a 2-pointer, a miss once again. Offensive rebound by the Black Shirts. Rejected!
Jake Arcaasi. Offense and defense.
And Team Archives are 3-point shy away to victory. And another foul. That's a hand check foul according to our officials. So yun na. 2 free throws plus ball possession once again.
If you're Toyota Bacoor, you'll be frustrated dahil 2 seconds you played great defense for the entirety of the shot clock para sa Team Archives, and then down to the last second, you'll commit a foul.
Sobrang parang tawag doon, double dead. Diba? Kasi paubos na yung shot clock, sayang eh. But he misses the first and he sinks in the second, so split charities. Now, the question is, will Archives end this game with a 2-pointer? Or they will... Oh, yun nga.
Akala natin for the win na.
Napatahimik na ako kasi akala ko tatapusin na kaagad. But however, Toyota Bacoor draining A two-pointer.
Toyota Bacoor needs a miraculous minute
Oh,
dito sa laro na to.
literally, they need the spirit of Tracy McGrady.
Pero kahit na hindi nila makuha yung panalo ngayon, hindi pa rin sila out eh. There's
Yes.
still hope for them dahil hindi naman to pag natalo ka,
Laglag
laglag ka
agad.
na.
And especially, again, for our Business Cup, we have 5 teams in total participating in this event. These are the 3rd and 4th team na nag-compete sa ating Business Cup. And after this one, yung ating University Cup naman ulit, which will be the University of Perpetual Health versus ISHRM School System. And that ends the ball game, draining the 2 free throws for Team Archives.
The streak is still alive, Rowie. Natatapos tayo ng 21 points.
Oo.
Hindi nauubos yung oras natin. Kanina nung simula ng game, akala natin ito, low scoring ball game and then first time mauubusan ng oras. Pero hindi. Ang Team Archives showed their will. Kahit hindi ganun kaganda yung shooting nila sa 3 points, talagang nakakapasok sila at nakakakuha ng magagandang tira.
It just shows that all the teams participating right now are really prepared in this tournament. Yun nga, walang nakakatapos ng 10 minutes. Usually, yun nga, I've covered a lot of 3x3 games already. Maraming mga nananalo dahil lang naubos yung oras eh. Pero again, that is our final score, 21-11, mga ka-motivated. And our next game will be against University of Perpetual Health System dahil sa Altas Bacoor versus ISHRM School System. Once again, my name is Rowie Sacote. Together with me is Charles Baichong. This is the Motivated 3x3 Business Cup Season 3. We'll see you guys in our next game. Peace!